my fabsome besties out there. I'm Sophie Darbie, and this is Sophie's Vlog, Home Tour Edition. Well, our house so far, it's always under renovation for some reason. If you look off into the distance, you can see a barn. We live near our grandmother who has a stable. That's usually where you can find Chloe. She spends a lot of time over there. The front of our house is pretty simple. It's white and black. We have a few bushes in the front. Let's go inside. We got a working door here, which is a nice thing to have on a house. Let's not forget to wipe our feet. When you first walk into the house, we have a fireplace with a TV over it, a large window, and hardwood floors. This room was originally designed for the holidays, but most of the year it's just left kind of open. This is our dollar store dollhouse edition. Our house is made of a bunch of little rooms that come together to give the illusion of a larger house. These two rooms together make up our living room. We have a large couch that we place in front, and you can see the two rooms behind it. I know what you're thinking, the TV is behind us over there. When I want to watch Netflix, I just turn the couch around. We are constantly changing the house around, but the couch is pretty comfy. I love our little dollar store mermaid pillows. I like this little dresser over here. It has a picture of Froggy and some little random stuff. Our dining room has a fall theme. There's a floating shelf with some pictures on the back wall. The table seats 4. Oops, I left this on the table from this morning. I love novelty mugs, and right now, this is my favorite one. Like I was saying, the table seats 4 for Mom, Dad, Chloe, and me. We have hardwood floors in this room and a rug. When all set up, this room looks pretty large. But it's 3 different rooms all put together. Separating the rooms makes them a lot easier to store. Let's go out into the backyard. We have a little sliding glass door here. When we first walk out, there is a small patio. We have a barbecue grill that we found at Target. Our backyard is fenced in. There is some lattice on the wall with little plants or vines growing up it. There's a large tree with a swing. That's a lot of fun. And this tree is great for climbing too. Then there's just grass and more plants. The backyard is also made of 3 different rooms, and we can add on whenever we like. Now let's go back inside. Woo, it was hot outside. I need to take a little break. Ooh, and maybe have lunch? Aw, someone left a sandwich out on the desk just for me. This is the office area, and you can see a nice little vision board behind me. This office was totally inspired by Barbie Style Instagram. That sandwich was good. Wait, where did my sandwich go? Sophie! If you stand right here, you get a pretty nice view of the house. Did you see my YouTube play button in the office? And yep, that is real gold leafing. Okay, enough about me. Let's go check out some other rooms. This is our laundry room. We have a washer and dryer that actually spins, some shelves and cleaning stuff. It's a pretty cool room, but I don't really spend a lot of time in here, because of all the cleaning and stuff. The bathroom, got a nice big mirror here, marble countertops, shelves for extra towels, more shelves for towels, a nice big bathtub with a large picture window. This is a small random room that my mom has a bunch of plants in. Seriously, there's like plants everywhere. I guess it's kind of calm and peaceful in here. It's a good place to meditate and reflect on the day. Our kitchen is under construction, but this is what we're using for right now. It's a little toy kitchen that we bought, and it works pretty good. All the cabinets and doors open. Welcome to one of my favorite places in the whole house, my closet. I like to do a little shopping from time to time. I try to keep my closet kind of organized. I know what you're thinking. Organization and Sophie? Ha! But seriously, I have a lot of clothes. It's like a whole job keeping up with it. If we walk through this little doorway, you enter the pretty pink room with a vanity inspired by the Pure Barbie collection. And check this out. The mirror lights up. I could just sit in here all day. Oh, and this room too. It's the pantry. It's where all the best snacks are. Walk down the insanely long hallway. No, seriously, check out this hallway. It's got so much architecture. The last room on our tour is my bedroom that I share with my sister Chloe. On my side of the room, I have 2 large monitors so I can play video games, and right above it, you can see my toy collection. My bed is pretty comfy. It is IKEA inspired. How do you like that Powerline poster? And Spacecrafters, my favorite! If you haven't seen Spacecrafters, go watch it now. It's like amazing. There is a large bay window that separates my side of the room from Chloe's. Chloe's side of the room is pretty much all about BTS. She has lots of posters on the walls, some BT21 pillows on her bed. She also likes horses and art. And that's the Darbie house so far. Thank you for joining me for my little house tour. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. I'm Sophie Darbie, and we'll see you next time on another Sophie's Vlog. Bye! We want to give a shout out to Doll Days YouTube. What's up? Walking around the house, giving a tour? That was a lot of work. I need a nap.